€50,000 in 50s and 100s, and there have been so many people over the last few weeks trying to crack the code on the Midlands 103 safe. And genuinely, this money was at stake. So were the keys to his and hers Mazda 3 executive cars, compliments of the new Colton Motors Mazda showroom in Tullamore. We can at last reveal what the winning combination is. And unfortunately, of the thousands and thousands of people to try and crack the code, nobody managed to get these 7 numbers in the correct order. But just to prove the car and the cash were legitimately at stake, here we go. Had somebody these numbers 5, 4, 7, 6, 9, 5, 4, if they were your numbers, you would now be the winner of €50,000 in cash, or you'd have the choice of his and hers Mazda 3 executive cars. Join us this Saturday on Midlands 103 to find out who wins our grand holiday to the sun on Non-Stop Classics with Mark Hughes.